home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this wig. This wig is from Asteria hair. If you know me and you know I'm going on vacation, you know I'm definitely wearing Asteria hair closure wig. I've had this wig on for like 4 or 5 days, and if you guys hear a lot of background noise, it's because I'm in Grenada, obviously. So there's a lot of animals making noise, people making noise, whatever. I just come to show you guys me putting on this hair, and my niece actually was doing my hair moisture routine, so you guys are gonna see her doing my moisture routine, because I tell y'all, it's literally so easy to do your wigs and like moisturize the hair and everything. Some people be feeling like it's hard, but it's really not. So you're gonna see her. She's 9 years old and she literally slayed my hair. Look how it's looking. It's about 90% dry, because we put like gel and stuff in it, so it's about 90% dry. It does get a little bit frizzy, but you can see the ends are super defined. This has been like the course of a whole week, me doing this hair, because I've had it on for a while. And if you guys are interested in this wig, don't forget to check out Asteria hair. We'll have the links down below like I always do. And let's get right into this video. I'm gonna have the specs for this wig as well in my description box. I don't know if it's a 30-inch or something, but it's really long. So let me show you how long it is. I am 5'3", well 5'2.5", 5'3", so that's where the wig falls on me. So if you guys are a little bit taller, I recommend going even longer length, but this is about a 30-inch, I believe. So I will have the correct specs in my description box, so make sure you guys check it out.
I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me. You gotta bring the clip back empty. You have to see the balls, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but
you know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to stay, no. You're broken down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby.
Guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the hair turned out. Super duper gorgeous. Comment down below some pink hearts. She slayed my moisture routine. I absolutely appreciate her. So give her some hearts in the comment section if you guys feel like she did a great job. And don't forget to check out Asteria hair. I will have all their details in my description box. I don't know, I just absolutely love how this hair comes out. I feel like Asteria hair never disappoints me. When I'm on vacation, they always come through with the closure, and it looks so good. Like, it literally gives frontal. I just like did some edges with my edge control, but it literally gives frontal, and it just makes you feel so nice, so cute. I just love curly hair. I feel like it just gives a tropical vibe. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check them out down below, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.